Dr. Hennigan's office, how can I help you?
Dr. Hennigan? You sound like a woman.
No sir, this is Becky, Dr. Hennigan's secretary.
Oh. Yeah, but why do you sound like a woman though?
I'll put you through.
Dr. Hennigan.
Dr. Hennigan? You sound like a man again.
Oh, Jose, I explained this to you last time you called. That was Becky.
I still don't know who this Becky person is.
Why are you calling me this time, Jose?
I forgot.
Jose, I'm going to have to...
Oh, I remember.
Okay.
Chicken.
Chicken?
Becky, for the last time, get off the phone.
Oh my god.
You were saying?
Oh, can you come to my house?
Jose, I told you, I am straight.
No, my son is a chicken.
Oh, what?
Just come over.
What you got there?
A knife?
What for?
Soup. Duh. Come in.
Right.
So I've been having some problems.
With what?
We'll settle that later. It's outside, but
Okay.
right now, just so you know where the bathroom is, you can come on in.
Yeah.
Yeah. No one in here. Right now, you can come on into the bathroom. There's the stalls. That's it. Let's go. If you need a poop or something, I don't know. Yeah, we're all humans, right?
Yeah.
It's our science lab. We test our chickens out here. Lab 422, 24, sorry.
Okay.
We put our chickens in here. That's the president chicken right there. He's really important.
Okay.
He's really important. These
Like
are
it?
all, huh?
Like it?
Yeah, we torture them in here though. That's the thing.
Okay.
The ones with the sticky note tags are really bad.
So then why do they say you can do anything, you're the best?
Because
you are a world
Moral
changer?
support. You make them. If we didn't put those notes there and make them feel good about themselves, they'd kill themselves. That's pretty much it.
Chickens can kill themselves.
Yes, many ways, especially since it's all metal box.
Okay.
They can barely breathe through these things.
I see that, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's not very-
We like to torture our chickens good out here.
That's not very humane of you.
And this one also is Science Lab 422.
Okay.
Yeah, that one we you didn't want to know. Come on.
Oh, okay.
That's crazy.
What's this?
We just try to act like we know what we're doing about the periodic table. We don't even know where we got this from. It just
Probably
appeared.
from like Goodwill or something like that?
Yeah, approximately.
Okay.
And we don't sleep in this house. That's another thing. There's no beds, as you can see. So.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Man. Let's go see the problem.
Yeah.
What the heck was that? That right there. That's what it is. That's what it is. Alright. Let's go. Wanna go see?
Sure. Why do you have a knife still?
It's your business. It's for my chickens.
You said it was for
Shut
your
up.
suit.
Shut up.
Where's he at? I see your issue.
Oh, chicken boy?
Chicken what?
Chicken boy.
Chicken boy. I see your issue once again. Hi, little child. May I touch your rock?
He thinks it's a chicken.
A what?
A chicken. It's a chicken.
Sorry. May I touch your chicken? Jesus Christ. Your son has chickenitis.
No.
Yes. No. I'm afraid so.
Wait. What's chickenitis?
Chickenitis is an illness of the mind that when the affected person gets it, he or she acts and seems like a chicken.
Well, no.
Your son is very messed up, Jose.
Doc, you gotta understand. My son thinks he's a chicken.
Well, no, Sherlock.
Who's Sherlock? Wait. Does that mean he's gonna have to go to the hospital with his mommy?
Oh my god. Hey, there's someone under the bridge! Come on, hurry!
Hey, dude, are you okay? Where am I?
Hey, sir, don't
You're
touch
under a
him.
bridge.
Don't touch him. I'm a doctor. It's okay,
I just had the weirdest dream.
sir.
You were
Sir.
Jose.
Sir, my name is
You
Dr.
were-
Hennigan.
You were my secretary.
What?
You were a chicken.
A chicken?
Yo, why you kill my son?